up, y'all? My name is Danny. Welcome to another vlog. If you have not yet, hit that subscribe button. Please like, share, and comment as well. This vlog is going to be a travel vlog. I'm getting ready to head to San Francisco. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready to head out to catch my flight, and I will catch up with y'all when I get to the airport. So this is where you should get TSA pre-check. You see how long that line is? I'm going right past that, and we are headed to TSA pre-check clear line. And the TSA pre-check line is long, so that's why I have clear, so I can also cut in front of that. Woohoo! I can see you. You're the one running into me. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, this is a beautiful hotel. Well, you know I can't put the camera down. Okay, so this is our room. This is the bathroom. We are at the Marriott Marquis in San Francisco. It's okay size tub. We have a closet here. I like to hang stuff up in the closet. So we got a closet there. Nice little full-length mirror. Double bed. We have the mini fridge there. All right, I'm recording my nice size TV. We don't have much of a view, but it's a nice size room. Thank you. And you sit anywhere? Or? Yeah. Oh, we ordered in sit. Okay. Ooh. Okay. All right, so.
I'm a contributor on Google Maps.
You write Google Map reviews?
Well, that's what I do most of my reviews on.
I wanna roll with you. Coming down, bumping, knocking pictures off the wall. I wanna smoke with you. Coming down, bumping, knocking pictures off the wall. So many things I wanna do. Coming down, bumping, knocking pictures off the wall. This is me and you. Coming down, bumping, knocking pictures off the wall. I say what's happening with you, baby. You know I wanna roll with you.
Going up.
You gotta stop up on the top of it. It's pretty scary. How do you do it?
Yeah.
It's like a roller coaster.
You know, it's very hard if you're going like this. It's like your engine seems to be giving up, you know.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Pretty scary.
I know. You know, we are living in the cities with a lot of things.
When I tell y'all this breakfast is so good, baby, so good. This is my first time trying a martini, espresso martini. Delicious. So, if you're ever in San Francisco, this place is called Sweet Maple. Food is excellent. Service is excellent. Really, really good.
Everybody should be working on it. Working on one of these pieces.
So I just finished having lunch with my mom and I found a really, really pretty little park. How beautiful this is. It's beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's go up here and see. How beautiful that is. I know, right? Oh, I heard something in the bushes. I don't know. Maybe not this time of year.
Yeah, but it's warm enough, right?
Yeah, definitely is. I did see a fly yesterday, though. One fly. That's it. But I haven't seen any bugs either. Oh, which way? Let's go this way. Ooh. We are at the pier. There's Alcatraz Island over there. We're getting ready to go on a cruise, so we'll be able to see it a little bit closer. That is my mom. Sweet. So we're at Fisherman's Wharf right now.
Oh, there's Ripley's.
That's how beautiful it is. Oh, I see. Ripley's, believe it or not. Okay, where do you want to go?
It's so nice.
That's so beautiful. Man. Let's see, we got.
They'll make a brand new start in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. Thank you. It's up to you, New York, New York. Yeah, Carl Tucker.
Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent with star girls, end up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. The moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. A lot of girls in my times there, word of Paul Wall, not one fronted.
Come on. Hey, having Starbucks?
Wow.
The average inmate population was 260.
260.
But it was never filled to capacity. You've probably heard of some of its famous inmates: Machine Gun Kelly, Al Capone, and Robert Stroud, better known as the Gunman Albatross. Inmates spend most of their time in their cells or in their work assignments. The prison has some industries like
The chocolate ones. Are you getting some? Oh, I thought it was more. Hi. Oh, wow. Hi. So that, all right, okay, so see. Put your messages in there. Oh, yeah, top. All right, I guess that's it. Where did you pay at? Hey guys, so I'm ending the vlog here. We had such a good time in San Francisco. Waiting on my mom. I told her to do TSA pre-check, but she didn't listen. So she's in that security line. So you guys know I have TSA pre-check in Clear. This Clear finally came in handy with this TSA pre-check because the airport was super busy today. It was super busy when we came in. So my Clear allowed me to skip ahead of the TSA pre-check line. So it's very useful to have both. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog.